This video is sponsored by unolist.com.
Alright, this is a 2024 Ford Maverick, and today we're going to show you guys how to put a cover on the bed. So this is this cover, it's a hard cover, and it's a trifold. So we bought it off of eBay, and supposedly it has decent reviews, so we're going to try it out. So we're going to show you how to do this step by step. And the tools that you're going to need are basic tools. You don't need anything fancy. You have rubbing alcohol just to clean the surface, to put anything that we need to glue, and a wrench. I mean, if you have the all you need is 9/16, but we're just going to use the adjustable wrench. And you need something to cut the packaging. You got a knife and a scissor. And that's about it. You shouldn't need anything else to install this stuff. It's fairly easy. Alright, so packaging. So here's the actual cover, and there has to be a mounting hardware. We open the box upside down. So let's get to the actual mounting hardware here. Alright, this one is actually fairly simple, this cover. So all we have to do is step one. This is a Ford Maverick, so it's got separate instructions. So it's very simple, where we just have to put this seal that it comes with on the front side of the lid. Okay, once it's on there, we take the cover out, lay it down, and on the cover itself you got these clamps that are inside. You got to pull them out like that, and they will, once you pull them down, you just tighten it. So just like that. See that shape here? The lip that's on this truck is going to be held between this U here, and you just tighten the clamp, and that should hold the door in place, hold the cover in place. So let's get started. Just measure this seal, how much you want for your truck, and once it's enough, just cut it at the seal. Don't scratch the paint. I'm just cutting on just marking it. Start from one side. Don't take the whole tape off at once. Right, it's in. Alright, so put the cover on here. Make sure the front of the cover is right on top of the seal that we put on the front of the rail. So after that, open it up. Okay. Once you open it up, before you tighten anything, okay, before you open anything, okay, this is what I was talking about, these latches that are in there, okay, these are adjustable latches that are in there. So what happens is, when you pull them out, this thing, okay, this U here is going to catch this metal lip that's on here, okay. And when you tighten this, it's going to hold it in place. Okay, there are 6 of them like that, 2 per fold, and you just have to hold the lip and tighten it. All right, so once the cover is laid on here, make sure it's you have this thing sitting on top of the seal on the front, and make sure the gap between this side and that side is equal. Measure the gap between the glass and this cover. Okay, make sure it's equal so that you get equal length on either side, the gap. You don't want the cover to be moved to one side or the other. Okay, and also make sure once you close the bed, you want to make sure it's actually properly sealed. All right, so this thing's got a clamp. For whatever reason, it's got 6 clamps, but 2 of them are chrome and the other ones are hard plastic. So you pull them out and then start tightening it. You want to make sure you push this out and it's holding. You want to make sure it's actually holding the lip on the bed. Okay, so it doesn't move. Okay, now start tightening it. And you don't need to tighten really hard, just tighten enough so that you can open with the hand. All right, you don't want to over tighten these things because that's not steel, it's chrome. So just enough so that it's holding it tight enough. So that should be good. Let's move on to the other two. One of the neat things about this cover is that it also comes with built-in lights. Again, they're not really powerful, but seems to be enough. So I guess yeah, let's tighten these two. Right, I mean, we see tiny gap towards the front. That we have extra seal, so we're gonna put that seal over there and seal it off, but otherwise it definitely looks like it's sealed. Thank you for watching.